I remember staring at a burnt-out motor and a bowl of ruined dough. I bought the wrong mixer because I just guessed. Figuring out which KitchenAid actually fits your kitchen is confusing, and picking the wrong one means wasting hundreds of dollars on a machine you will hate using. Well, I have spent months testing the entire lineup so you do not have to. Here's what matters. Let me explain exactly which model you actually need, and trust me, the winner is not the one you're probably thinking of. 6. KitchenAid 7-quart bowl lift. This is best for the heavy-duty home baker who makes massive batches of bread every single week. Well, let me just say right up front that testing this massive machine was quite the experience. I mean, pulling this beast out of the box, you immediately feel the weight and realize it is a serious piece of equipment. The 7-quart capacity sounds like an absolute dream when you're reading the spec sheet online. You picture yourself effortlessly mixing 3 or 4 loaves of bread at once without spilling a single drop of flour on your kitchen counter. But actually living with it on a daily basis told a slightly different story for me. The bowl lift mechanism is incredibly sturdy and locks firmly into place, which is great for stability. However, it takes up a massive amount of counter space and vertical clearance. If you have standard kitchen cabinets, you are definitely going to struggle to slide this underneath them, meaning it might have to live on your dining table. I tried making a small batch of chocolate chip cookies just to see how it handled normal day-to-day tasks. It was frankly a bit of a disaster. The attachment just did not reach the bottom of that giant bowl properly. I found myself having to stop the machine constantly to scrape the sides and the bottom with a spatula. It felt like I was doing half the work manually anyway. 5. KitchenAid Artisan 5-quart tilt head stand mixer. This is best for the casual baker who wants a gorgeous appliance that can handle occasional holiday cookies and cakes. This is the exact model everyone pictures when they hear the name KitchenAid. It is the classic wedding registry item, and I totally get the visual appeal. Sitting on the counter, it looks absolutely beautiful and comes in just about every color you could possibly imagine to match your kitchen decor perfectly. It really does feel like a status symbol when you first set it up. I tested the classic 5-quart size, and the tilt head design is undeniably convenient for adding ingredients. You just flip the top back, and you have full open access to the bowl to dump in your flour or sugar. It is a very intuitive setup that feels totally familiar right out of the box. But here's the thing I noticed after a few weeks of heavy testing. The head hinge tends to bounce a lot more than you would expect. When I was mixing a moderately stiff pizza dough, the entire top half of the machine was bucking up and down quite violently. I mean, it legitimately looked like it was struggling to keep it together under pressure. I actually had to tighten the hinge pin twice during my testing period just to keep the head from wobbling excessively. Also, the glass bowl version I tried is completely gorgeous, but exceptionally heavy and quite slippery when wet. 4. KitchenAid Classic Series K45SS. This is best for beginners on a budget who want the iconic KitchenAid experience without spending a fortune. I honestly expected the smaller motor to struggle with basic tasks, but this little workhorse really held its own. It's the original design that made the brand famous in the first place, and there's a very good reason it has stuck around for decades without changing much. The 4.5-quart bowl is actually a really sweet spot for standard household recipes. When you just want to make a single batch of brownies or mashed potatoes for a family dinner, this size is absolutely perfect. The attachments reach the bottom of the bowl beautifully, meaning you spent way less time scraping and more time actually baking. I whipped up some meringue to test the speed, and it incorporated air incredibly well into the egg whites. The machine stayed planted firmly on my counter, and the tilt head mechanism felt surprisingly smooth and secure. It lacks the flashy, bright colors of the Artisan series, usually just coming in plain white or black, but it looks incredibly clean and professional on the counter. One thing I really appreciate is how lightweight it is compared to the bigger bowl lift models. If you need to store your mixer in a pantry and carry it out when you want to bake, this is absolutely the one you want to buy. 3. KitchenAid Artisan SM3316XWH. This is best for apartment dwellers or anyone with limited counter space who refuses to compromise on quality. I have to admit, when I first pulled this out of the box, I thought it looked almost like a toy. It is 20% smaller and 25% lighter than the full-size Artisan model. But man, I was completely wrong to underestimate this incredibly capable little machine. It feels just as premium as its bigger brothers, just shrunk down. Space is a premium in most modern kitchens, and this footprint is just magical. It tucks right into the corner under the cabinets and basically disappears when you are not using it. Yet it still packs a surprisingly capable 250-watt motor. I mean, that's the same power as the Classic series, just packed into a much tighter and more efficient body. I tested a standard batch of chocolate chip cookies and a loaf of basic sandwich bread. It powered through both flawlessly without shaking around the counter. The soft start feature is particularly brilliant here. It slowly ramps up the mixing speed so you don't get a massive cloud of flour blowing up into your face when you turn it on. The 3.5-quart bowl sounds very small on paper, but it easily handles 5 dozen cookies at once in the real world. For most families or couples, that's exactly what you actually need on a weekend. 2. KitchenAid Commercial Series KSM 8990. This is best for serious culinary enthusiasts and small business owners who demand absolute perfection and relentless durability. When I turned this machine on, the sound alone told me everything I needed to know about its quality. It has a highly advanced motor which runs dramatically quieter and cooler than the motors in the standard consumer models. It is a completely different beast built for serious endurance. The sheer torque this thing produces is absolutely mind-blowing. I threw a double batch of incredibly stiff pasta dough at it just to see what would happen. Most normal mixers would choke, whine, or stall out completely. This commercial unit just hummed along happily without dropping a single ounce of speed. It was totally mesmerizing to watch it work so effortlessly. The build quality is just off the charts in every single category. The stainless steel bowl guard is a fantastic safety feature, and the orange commercial power cord is incredibly thick and durable. You can tell they engineered every single inch of this machine to withstand brutal daily punishment in a real bakery or restaurant environment. Even though it is massive, the 8-quart bowl is designed so well that it still handles smaller batches surprisingly nicely. The stainless steel attachments are entirely dishwasher safe, which is a massive upgrade from the hand wash only ones that come with the cheaper models. You know, it just saves so much time when you can throw everything straight into the dishwasher. KitchenAid 6.6-liter bowl lift stand mixer. This is best for the passionate home baker who wants professional bowl lift stability perfectly balanced for standard home kitchen spaces. The 6.6-liter size strikes the absolute perfect balance for a dedicated home cook. It gives you massive mixing capacity, but somehow manages to avoid feeling overwhelmingly bulky or intrusive on your counter. During my heavy testing, this machine handled absolutely everything with total grace and power. I mean, the redesigned bowl lift mechanism is just buttery smooth. It clicks into place so securely that the bowl becomes completely rigid. When I mixed a very heavy brioche dough, the machine stayed dead silent and perfectly still on the counter, not a single wobble or bounce. What really sets this apart from the older models is the brand new half-speed feature. Folding in delicate ingredients like whipped egg whites or chocolate chips used to be a gamble on older machines. Now you can gently fold them in without knocking all the precious air out of your batter. It is a tiny detail that completely transforms how you use the machine. The planetary mixing action on this specific model just feels dialed in absolutely perfectly. I did not have to scrape the bowl even once while making a very large batch of buttercream frosting. The beater reached every single contour of the bowl effortlessly. It is just those small efficiency wins that make baking so much more enjoyable and less of a chore. That's all for today, folks.